Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to manage multiple network connection settings in Windows 7, 8, 10. Type NetSetMan in browser search bar. Click Windows IP freeware NetSetMan. Click Download NetSetMan. Open download file. Click Next. Check Accept License Agreement. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. Click Set 1. Check IP and gateway. Check using the following IP address. Type IP and DNS address for first network. Type gateway address. Type DNS address. Rename your first network name. Check IP and gateway. Type second network IP address. Type gateway of second network. Check DNS server. Type DNS server IP address for second network. Rename second network. Select your interface card. Click Activate. Connect FIST network. Check speed test. Connect second network. Check internet speed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.